the bottom line is it's something I want and need, so it's already there. But obviously the startup cost was more attractive, and also what you were offering and what you were explaining to me, I found it to be very interesting, and I also found you to be a trusting and nice person, which is essential. Like if someone wants to come into your business.
Of course, yeah.
Like you were a really nice guy and you seem very trusting, and I mean, and obviously we got along as well. So, like all that matters, all that contributes to you wanting to get a good feel and energy
Yeah.
for what you're about.
Yeah, I understand about that. So, what would you say? And before I say that, for anyone who doesn't know yet, Jane
Yeah.
was the one who went, like I said in my video, she went from 0 to 5K in 9 days using those strategies that
Yes,
we are
thank
teaching
you.
in our program. So, what would you say, like for example, especially to women who are maybe thinking about starting their
Yeah.
own business, working from home? And what suggestion would you give to them? What advice?
Yeah. Oh, I'd just say go for it. Take a risk. It doesn't matter. It's not much money to lose, even so, and it's really great. And I think you're mad not to do it. And you're in really good hands.